Spikewealth family, is Rita Wealth here, and today I am touring a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with you. This 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex is currently in the market for 140 million naira. Yes, that is a very affordable and good buy for you. Alright, this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex is located in Ikota GRA, which is off the Lekki Ajah expressway, right here in Ajah, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. This amazing 4-bedroom semi-detached is sitting pretty, and right here we have 2 units currently available. We also have a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex, all right, in this same location. So this is a new environment in Ikota. This is an upcoming environment in Ikota. All the buildings around there are brand new. This is a brand new 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. You don't want to miss out on this deal. This property comes with a title of Global CFO, and also a governor's consent is in view right now. All right, so we've started the process of the governor's consent, and the fine number is out already. This property comes with a BQ. It comes with this driveway you can see right here in front of me, and I'm going to be starting this video from the masters, which is the primary suite of this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. So please sit tight, grab a cup of coffee, and let's go tour this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex together. Okay family, so I flipped my camera right now, and right here is the primary suite of this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. All right, so we are starting from the primary suite. So right here is a glass that leads to the balcony of this primary suite. Okay, you can see it has a lovely chandelier, and you can see the driveway of this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. All right, so in front of me right there we have a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. Okay, comes with a gatehouse that is going for 200 million naira, and this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex, this very unit and the other unit right there, is going for 140 million naira. Okay, so we have a central water system right here with water treatment plants, okay, for these 3 duplexes. All right, so you need a duplex that is big, spacious, and affordable. This right here, that is 200 million. This is 140 million naira. Don't miss this opportunity. So now let's continue this tour. So this is the primary suite of this 4-bedroom fully detached semi-detached duplex. You can see the walk-in closet right here. All right, so this house is still under construction, so some of the amenities has not properly been placed. All right, now this is the toilet and bath of this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. You can see the tub, the shower stall. You can see the bathtub. You can see the toilet seats. The toilet zinc is right there. We have a water heater and the window. You can see the POP and the lightings. All right, now let's continue this tour to the other parts of the house. All right, now let's go downstairs. So this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex is a 2-floor building. All right, so this is the last floor upstairs, and you can see the lightings in the POP. You can see the stairs that leads downstairs. Now we are going to the first floor. All right, remember we are starting this tour from the primary suite. So this is the first floor of this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex, and right here we have a lounge. Okay, so we have a family lounge on the first floor. You can see the chandelier, we have inbuilt speaker, you can see the lightings, we have 2 windows and this glass window door right here. Also the balcony is right there, and from the balcony you can look over at your driveway. All right, you can see the space in this lounge. Now this is room number 2 right here. So we've seen the primary suite, which is room number 1. This is room number 2. Comes with 2 windows. You can see how spacious it is. All right, your wardrobe is right here. You can see your wardrobe, and we have in our POP we have inbuilt speaker, all right, and lightings in the POP as well. Okay, so our toilet and bath is right here. We have the shower stall right here. We have a window. There is a water heater and a bedroom zinc, and also our toilet seat is right here. Now let's continue to room number 3 on the first floor. All right, now this is room number 3 right here. Okay, comes with 4 windows. You can see the wardrobe right here. Look at the POP with its lightings and inbuilt speaker as well. All right, now look at the toilet and bath. Okay, you can see the shower stall, the water heater, the bedroom zinc. You can see the window and the toilet seat is right here. All right, now let's continue to room number 4 and the last room in this 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex. This is spacious. You can see the space in this room right here. I'm gonna get an angle from the other side. Now look at the wardrobe. Okay, and we have a window right here. Now let's get an angle of this room. You can see this, very cozy and lovely. You can see the room, spacious. This is the toilet and bath. Toilet seat is right there. The shower store is right there. Your bath sink is right here. There is a window and your water heater. You can see the lights in the POP as well. Now let's continue this video to the ground floor. All right, so this is a two-story. This is a two-story 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex. Though we have the primary suite on the last floor, we have 3 rooms on the second floor and a lounge. All right, now we are going downstairs, and downstairs is where we have the living room, we have the kitchen. Okay, downstairs. All right, so let's go all the way to see the lounge right here. Before we see the sitting room, let's see the kitchen. All right, so this is the kitchen. Spacious, big, well equipped. So this is your kitchen island. It's going to be placed at the center of the kitchen. Like I told you, this building is still very much under construction. All right, just because I want to give you fresh deal before it gets into the market and gets sold out, I bring you this very 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex today. All right, so it comes with an in-built speaker. You can see your chandelier, a window right there. You can see our upper cabinet. Then we have a microwave and oven. You can see the wall cabinet. You can see the lower cabinet, your countertop, and right here we have the kitchen sink. Okay, very lovely. That's the door that leads to the back of the house. This house comes with a CCTV camera as well. All right, now we have a store right here for you in your kitchen. Okay. All right, now let's see the sitting room. So this right here is your sitting room. We have 2 lovely chandeliers in the sitting room. Okay, this is your dining space, and right there is the chandelier. All right, so this parlor comes with an in-built speaker as well, lights in the POP, comes with 5 windows, as you can see right there. Now let me give you an angle of this house. So right here is an angle of the sitting room. After all of this, look at the lighting, the chandelier. Now look at the toilet for your visitors. Comes with your toilet seat, a window, and your bedroom sink. All right, now I'm going to go outside. So we have the timestamp for these 3 units of duplexes, the fully detached duplex, and the 2 units of 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex. All right, so we also have a water treatment plant right here for you in this beautiful duplex. All right, now look at the compound of this house. This is the driveway of this house. That is your main gate that leads to this from very place I'm standing. Now let me take you around the house. Now I'm showing you the fence of this house. You can see the wall. We have a CCTV camera right here, so you can see people driving in from your driveway. All right. So right here in the back of the house, we have a BQ right here. So this is the BQ of this 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex. So this is toilet and bath for the BQ. That's the toilet seat, a bedroom sink, and also a shower right here in your BQ. All right, let's continue to the other side of the house. So this is the door that leads to the back of the kitchen. So this unit right here is available, and this other unit, that is the second semi-detached duplex, is also available, all going for 140 million naira. Okay, and the fully detached duplex is also available for 200 million naira. All right, so reach out to me today to own any of these beautiful pieces for yourself. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.